Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa guacamole. To start, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 ripe avocados, a medium tomato, half an onion, and a bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget a jalapeno for a little kick, and of course, some fresh lime juice and salt. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious dip. Once your avocados are ready, carefully halve them and remove the pits. Scoop the creamy green flesh into a bowl. Now, mash them with a fork or a potato masher until you reach your preferred texture. Some like it smooth, others prefer it a bit chunky. Immediately stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice to keep it vibrant and prevent browning. Next, let's prepare our salsa components. Finely dice 1 medium tomato and half an onion. For a little heat, mince 1 jalapeno, remembering to remove the seeds if you prefer a milder flavor. Finally, chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Gently fold these vibrant ingredients into your mashed avocado mixture. This step truly brings the salsa to your guacamole. Now for the best part, tasting and adjusting. Take a small spoonful and see if it needs more salt, lime juice, or even a little more heat from the jalapeno. Some people enjoy a tiny pinch of ground cumin for an extra layer of flavor. Once perfected, transfer your delicious salsa guacamole to a serving bowl. Enjoy it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.